Today we're doing brakes on the BMW. Got to make this a good solid daily driver before I can go back to the Camaro. So I spent another 450 bucks on brakes. They're squeaking really bad, so we reached out to FCP Euro, gave them a bunch of money, and they sent me stuff. I'll give you part numbers and all that stuff in the description, but I want to let you know brake pads, front and rear rotors, and also the wear sensors for the brake pads. So I'll be working on that today. I also got one of these. I was trying to pull those bolts off, but looks like the tire shop actually over torqued them on there, and they're just a pain in the ass to get off. So anyway, I was gonna back this BMW in here and start working on it, but the wife decided to bring both sets of keys with her, the BMW, and she took my truck. So now I gotta take the beast out to go get the keys to the BMW so I can just start on this. Anyway, Florida, it's actually cold out. It's kind of crazy, but when I get back, you'll see me working on the car. Okay, I'll be right back. Hour later, I ate like a little protein bar thing, and BMW's in here, have the keys, and we're just looking over the jack points on this place, this thing. They're apparently in the front middle, there's a jack point. You gotta lift it up, and then on the sides, 4 corners, there's a place to put your jack stands. So that's what we're gonna do. And if you need more details on that, I can put a little diagram like right here, where to jack it from, like right there. All right. Anyway. Well, we'll get back. It'll be on 4 jack stands. Okay, so we have it on all 4. Here we go.
Front fill.
We got the rear tires off. If you ever remove tires on this BMW, you know that these rims are like sealed. They don't like to come off, so I had to use a rubber mallet in the back, kind of smack the rim a little bit, get it to come off. But this is what we have so far. These are toast. So we'll go get a couple 14 mils and everything and start chopping this all down. Okay, so we've gotten the old pads out, and we're just bringing out the new stuff. Something to note, passenger side rear are the ones that have the sensor on it. So these are my old pads. Not the greatest looking. And you can see that, yeah, they were toast. And the rotor's bad too, you can see that later. Here's product number right here, Zimmerman. And the new rotors. Those are those. We also got the new brake wear pad thingies and BMW Group brake pad paste. Gotta love the paste. And our new pads right here. They have the little loop in them. This is the side that you want to go on the passenger side where the sensor is, because that's where the sensor goes. All right, so this goes in the front, That one goes in the back, and let's go ahead and get these installed. Okay, I just installed the brake pad sensor. So I want to kind of show it to you. So this is it right here, it goes on the brake pad. All right, it goes up this channel right here. You can see the new wire kind of installed. It all goes through here. The plug, can you follow it, goes right into this box right here. And all it takes is I just snap this box off right here, and it plugs in. Okay, right in here. I just needed to unbolt this thing right here, flip it over, and we're good. All right, brake pad sensor switched out for the rear. Okay, let's do the rest. I don't know, I kind of want to call it rotisserie. Yeah, right. All right, we're on the front now. Got the tires off, and we're ready to start changing pads and stuff. Dakota's already doing most of the work. Isn't that nice? Cranking away. All right, let's start the process.
The roommate, not the friend.
The roommate, not the friend. But after this job, he may be becoming a little elevated in stature into friend status. All right. Okay, so brakes are done. We are torquing the wheels back on. In case you didn't know, for the F15, it's 105 foot-pounds of torque is what you want to do it. So we set it, going in a cross pattern, doing it on there. It's real easy to over torque these, so be very careful. These were over torqued on like a champ from the tire shop we went to, so just gotta be really careful from other people touching your stuff. Some hard things with the brake job, real quick. Actually, let's start with what you'll need. You'll need a 14 mil socket, a couple breaker bars, a couple extensions, some screwdrivers, and you'll need a 17 to get the wheel lug nuts off, or lug bolts, I should say. You also need 4 jack stands if you're gonna do them all 4 like I did, or you can do one side at a time. Torque wrench, and that's about it. Some difficulty we had were the front. The back weren't too bad. They popped right in there, but let me show you an example.
Don't forget the tensioner on the caliper.
Where are the ones with the springs in it? Where are the pads at? Oh, right here. Okay, so pad. This clips into the back of the caliper, keeps it positioned so it doesn't move. This thing. Well, on the new ones, they're really, really hard to get in there. So we kind of pushed them in a little bit and gives a little more room to kind of slide them in. But that was our biggest problem we had putting these on. It's just getting to push in this part. So we kind of used some pliers, kind of pushed them over a little bit, use a screwdriver, just kind of ease them in as you're pushing them in. So those are a little difficult. Other than that, it's actually pretty simple little job. I was pretty happy with it. Other than that, I checked the brake fluid level. It's actually went up because I did the brake fluid replace in one of my other videos, so it was full. So when you push the pads back, obviously more fluid's going to be in the system. So anyway, that goes with that. Other than that, it's actually a pretty simple little install. So we're gonna go drive it around, pump the brakes, and make sure everything's good, make sure I don't kill anybody when we drive around.
Or your wife.
Oh, or the wife kills herself. Just kidding. Yeah. So pretty simple install. Again, you can do it yourself. If you have a friend, even better. Friend?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Friend?
Friend status, help me with the brakes.
Bumped up.
Yeah. Roommate to friend. Anyway, until next time, I have to finish the sound deadener on the Camaro. I've only done the back half of it. I got to do the front half, and then that video is coming soon. So until next time, you guys have a good one.